Okay, so for homework, you're supposed to do exercise 5 and 6. And the hint that I gave to you in class was that 8,374 in expanded form is 8,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 4. Okay, so your goal is to put each of these numbers in exponential notation. Okay, that was something that we learned how to do a couple of lessons ago. So let's start with 8,000. Okay, so 8,000 we know can be factored down to 8 times 8,000. I'm sorry, that is 8 times 1,000. Okay, and from that first lesson, or that lesson that we did, exponential notation for numbers, we know that 8 can actually be written down as 2 to the third power, and this is how it goes. So we know that 4 times 2 is going to give us 8, and that 4 can be fractured down to 2 times 2. So if we're using base 2 for 8, we know that 2 to the third power is going to equal 8. Alright, and we're going to do something similar to 1,000. And just to, as a hint, numbers that have a 1 and several zeros after it, base 10 is always a good base to use. Okay, so we know that 100 times 10 is going to be equal to 1,000. And similarly, 100 can be factored down into 10 times 10. Take a look at that. We have our bases, our base 10, and we know that then that 8,000 can be written as, or expressed in exponential notation of 2 to the third power times 10 to the third power. Okay, so you also have to do that for 370 in a similar way. All right, for exercise 6, I'll give you the hint that 6,985,062 in expanded form is 6 million plus 900,000 plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 60 plus 2. Okay, and so you just have to factor each of those similar to how we did 8,000. We'll go over these on Monday or tomorrow with what the solutions are. Okay, good luck.